Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn about the 7 elements of art. These are the basic pieces or principles that you will find in any piece of artwork that you ever create or that anyone else has ever created. We are going to learn about line, shape, color, value, texture, space, and form. If you want to, you can take notes while you watch the video, or you can just go back and watch it again. It's up to you. Line is the most basic element of art. It is a path of a mark moving across a surface. It can be used in a variety of ways. Some artists show their lines more than others, and some artists use nothing but line to express their shape, texture, value, space, and form. As you can see in these two, the artist only used line, and the way that he moved them on the paper shows us the form that he's trying to imply. A shape has 2 dimensions represented as an enclosed area. There are 2 categories of shapes. Geometric shapes are more precise and regular, like squares, rectangles, and triangles. Organic shapes are irregular and typically come from nature, such as leaves, flowers, or clouds. Shapes that grow, flow, and move. Color is what we see because of reflective light. Light contains different wavelengths of energy that our eyes and brain see as different colors. Colors have 3 basic properties. We're going to learn about hue, value, and intensity. Hue is the word that refers to colors names like red, blue-green, and yellow. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a hue, like dark red or light red. And lastly, intensity refers to its purity. Red is more intense than orange, and orange is more intense than yellow-orange. On the left, you can see that we have these vibrant, bright colors. On the right, we have some bright colors, but then if you look in the background as well as the hair, you'll see a lot of dull colors. This was created by combining 2 opposite complementary colors and mixing them together. Value refers to the relative lightness and darkness of an object, including light, medium, and dark values. Values can create a wide variety of contrast. The use of value in 2D art often implies a 3-dimensionality. Value is what helps us see and understand how things are shaped. Texture is how something feels or looks like it feels. There are 3 different ways to look at texture. We have actual texture, which comes from real materials used in a piece of artwork. Implied texture, which is the illusion of the real texture, like in a drawing or painting. And invented texture, which is created by the artist from their imagination. Space is the creation of visual perspective. This represents a volume of space or 3-dimensional object on a flat surface. Space is the illusion of depth, the distance around, between, above, below, and within an object or group of objects. This is a pretty crazy picture that was created by M.C. Escher that really makes you look at where the space is going and where it's coming from. Has 3 dimensions represented as enclosed volume. Forms are shapes with 3 dimensions such as cubes, pyramids, or cylinders. Sculpture is the most obvious example of a form. Architecture is another example of form. And organic random shapes can also represent form. Now that we've gone over and introduced all 7 elements of art, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, or you can even do your own research. Now you want to click on the PowerPoint that will go over your 3 different project options for the week.